Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate Review is one of the most searched topics for anyone who wants to become a front-end web developer. In this video, I'll explain what you get, who it's for, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. If you decide this program is right for you, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access this certificate and thousands of other career programs. The Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate is designed for complete beginners. You don't need a degree or previous coding experience to get started. The program is self-paced and helps you build job-ready front-end development skills while learning from Meta engineers. The certificate includes 9 courses covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Bootstrap, Git, GitHub, version control, UX and UI design, Figma, and coding interview preparation. You'll also complete hands-on projects and a capstone that help you build a professional portfolio. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its practical approach. You'll build responsive websites, create React applications, manage code with GitHub, and learn modern front-end development workflows. These are the exact skills employers expect from junior front-end developers. Another major benefit is the Meta credential. After completing the program, you'll earn an industry-recognized professional certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile and resume. The program also includes coding interview preparation to help you feel more confident when applying for developer jobs. Now let's talk about value. Many learners buy web development courses individually, but that can become expensive if you want to continue learning after this certificate. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from leading organizations. If you're planning to learn front-end development, React, JavaScript, UI and UX design, or other in-demand tech skills, Coursera Plus gives you much better value than paying for courses individually. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.